Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last video, we saw how to find the XPath of the element using the contains keyword. Now here in this video, we're going to find the XPath of the element using starts with keyword. Now the syntax is probably almost the same when you are using the contains keyword and the start keyword, but what start keywords mean is that we're going to find an element whose value of the attribute starts with a particular text. Let's suppose we have the input text on our Engine Digital practice page, the BMW element. So we have an attribute value and it starts with, we know, BM, right? Or we can just say B also. But if we have two elements which starts with B, then it will be an issue. So we gotta, if you have to find the unique one, we gotta make sure that we at least give the first two or whatever the first number of characters which are unique among the other car names. So let's go back to our Engine Digital practice page and let's continue with this BMW example. So over here, I'm going to press Ctrl F and I'm going to do input and then starts with, I'm going to have braces, value, comma, BM, and BM is in quotes over here. There you go. We found an element which starts with BM and there is one unique element. So here we can use the starts with property to find the element whose value starts with BM, and we have used the tag as input tag over here. Now let's go back to the write editor and verify the same thing. So I'm going to go back to my write editor over here. I'm going to go to edit. We're going to use the same test case as from last time. We're going to use the click element keyword only, but here I'm just going to change the keyword. So starts with and then comma BM, close this, and we have our XPath ready. I'm going to save this. I'm going to go to run. So here it's going to open the browser. It's going to go to Engine Digital practice page. So carefully see, it's going to select the BMW element, sleep for 4 seconds and close the browser. So now here our test case have successfully passed. I'm going to click on log. So we have our click element keyword over here in which we have identified the locator based with starts with. So now just to recap, we have studied how to find the XPath of the element using two keywords, contains keyword and starts with keyword. So one thing to remember is that for the starts with keyword, we always have to give the value of the attribute where it starts with. Now example in this case, if I go back to here, if I give an example of MW, it's not going to find anything because it's not starting with that. So we cannot provide any characters between a string. We have to provide what it starts with, and it should be unique. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, please post it. Practice as much as possible with different types of elements and try to create your own keywords. You know the method. How do we check whether the XPath is that you have created is unique or not, and practice in your robot framework write editor. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm going to see you in the next video.